Wow. Wow. Hello my friends, so I guess today is going to be another weekend in my life vlog. Y'all know that I love doing like the monthly vlogs, and I'm glad that a lot of you guys have loved it, so it really means a lot. I think the last time I posted one was like last year, so here we are again with another one. But anyways, today I have a lot of things that I need to do. I'm about to head out, but yeah, I wanted to take you guys with me. In terms of what I'm doing today, there's going to be a Stray Kids cup sleeve event here in my area, so I'm definitely gonna go check that out. And then I have to go to Target to run a few errands, and then I might go to Daiso after because I love going to Daiso. I just love going in there and buying everything that I clearly don't need, but it'd be like that. But yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, like I said, I'm about to head out, so yeah, let's do it.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love.
Alright, hello my friends. So I am currently in the car, but I just made it to the event and there's like a bunch of people here. So I'm kind of like, I don't know what to feel. I'm gonna go ahead and get in line because like I said, the line is long. I'll try to get as much vlog footage as I can, but yeah. Also, if y'all were wondering where the event is, it's at a place called Snow Ice and they have really good stuff, so yeah.
물론 시간이 많이 지났지 나는 아직도 벗어나지 못해 물어보고 싶었어 근데 넌 어때 I'm exhausted 꼭 지금 너 왜 내 머리를 걷니 조금은 있지 그 가능성이 늘 열려 있게 난 정말 모르겠어 아직 내가
Alright my friends, if you're seeing this angle right now, it is not the prettiest and I have no cute space to like put my camera, so you're here seeing the steering wheel, so don't mind that. But anyways, I'm back in the car from the event. It was so cute. It's like if you saw the previous clips, I'm in love. I'm gonna just show you guys the cup sleeves because I didn't like show everything, but like, so they had one for like OT8. I don't know if y'all can see that. So cute. And then the Hyunjin one, oh my god, is everything. Like, how cute is that? Also, in terms of the other freebies that they ended up giving, oh my god, shut up. These are so cute. He looks so good in these pictures. Excuse me, sir. Wow. Oh my god, the cutest thing ever. And then you get a little freebie photo card and oh my god, Mr. Minho. You know, he looks so good. Love. And then obviously I have my drink. I ended up getting a strawberry milk tea with lychee jelly. Y'all know I'm a sucker for strawberry, so anything strawberry, sign me up. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh, she cute. It's like strawberry milk. Love that. I mean, it's strawberry milk tea. Stupid bitch. Literally Rainer. She good though. Let's try with the lychee. Really good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and head to Target right now or Daiso because I wanted to go to both of those, but I feel like Daiso is gonna have a really long line. I'm not totally sure, but you'll see in the next clip.
But we turned into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moon, like that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time.
Alright my friends, so I am now at the mall and I'm gonna head over to Target, but I think I want to check out a few other stores too, so I don't know, maybe a shopping vlog?
Feels like I have been gone on the lawn.
Oh my god. Oh. All right, my friends, I am now back in the car. I am tired from like walking, but anyways, I didn't end up getting a lot of things from Target that I needed to, so I need to go to Walmart now. But as you saw in the previous clips, I went to the K-pop store that my mall has. Probably do a little haul at the end of this video, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head to Target now. I'm gonna go ahead and head over to Walmart now. All right, we are playing the bops. Can we talk about Sonu being blonde and then Jay with the black hair? Such a look, like I'm living, and like that probably means they're coming back soon. So if you haven't stand and hyphen yet, do so. No. Every day I just can't control. I love my. No. I'm the one in my zone. All right, we are at Walmart. Why am I so loud? Alright my friends, so before we get back into the video, I'd love to give a huge thank you to Elago for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys don't know what Elago is, they're basically a website that have a wide range of phone cases, laptop cases, or AirPod cases to choose from. And they did a collection with BT21. As you can see, my BT21 collection continues to grow as we speak, but I love it so much. And through Elago, they released a collection for phone cases and AirPod cases. So they ended up sending me a package. I'm gonna be showing you guys everything and I'm so excited to open it, so let's just do it. Oh my god! Just from the start, you can see everything in here and it's just so okay, I feel like we should start off with the phone cases because y'all know that I love changing my phone case every single day. I ended up getting 3 cases from them and oh my god, but let me just show you guys. Why am I talking in this accent? I don't know. So the first one is with all of the BT21 characters. It's basically bubblegum and fruit themes, so seriously in love with the pastels as well. The second one I got is of RJ and he has strawberries and it just says sweet RJ. Like look how cute that is. Y'all were wondering, I have an iPhone 11, so yeah, I am so excited to put this on. And then the third one I ended up getting is of Koya. Like look at how cute, like also, if you guys didn't know already, I have the AirPods Pro, but I also got cases for this, so let me go ahead and show y'all. All right, but the packaging already. So these are the 3 AirPod cases that I ended up getting. So let's just go ahead and open one of them. This one is of Chimmy. Look at how cute he is. Oh my god, he's so precious. All right, so this is what it looks like and it's a transparent case, so we love that. Oh. And it basically just says Jelly Candy BT21 and then on the back it has another Chimmy. Like look at how cute. The next one is with all of them, so like oh my god, like I'm seriously in love with this collection so much. But yeah, this one is the group one, and then the last AirPods case that I ended up getting is the one with Shuki. There's 3 of them. Like what? Oh my god. And then on the back it has a mini Shuki. Like we love. But yeah, aside from the phone cases, I'm definitely gonna be changing out my AirPod cases as well, so all right, now in terms of the phone cases, I'm like, which one do I want to put on my phone? Like okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with the group one because just look at it, like Also, in terms of Elago and their cases, they basically mix polycarbonate and TBU in a perfect blend that offers incredible everyday protection from drops, dirt, dust, and oil. And it also comes with a little camera guard, which provides an extra layer of protection for your incredible camera. So if y'all didn't know already, I'm so clumsy when it comes to holding my phone. Like I seriously drop it like every single day, which is a problem. But yeah, with the Elago case, if you drop your phone, you don't have to worry about it shattering, which we love. And also for the camera guard as well. I mean, I have yet to damage my camera, but like, you know, now with this phone case, I don't need to and I don't want to risk it. Oh my god, the phone cases come with little stickers on the inside, so All right, and if y'all were wondering who's on my phone case at the moment, it is of Subin. He looks so, so cute. And then I also have this gold moon and stars phone case, which is really, really cute. And there you have it. She is on. Oh my God, this is so, so pretty. Like, okay, I'm definitely gonna be using this one. But yeah, like I said, they are drop resistant. So if you do end up dropping your phone, you don't have to worry about it shattering. So bless elago. Bless elago. And then here are what the other phone cases look like, and I'm seriously so in love. But yeah, like I said, if I end up switching my cases every single day and you see me doing that, don't mind it. And lastly, I ended up getting 2 clear bands for my Apple Watch. So I ended up getting one for RJ and one for Cookie. All right, so for the first watch band, like I said, I got Cookie, like so, so cute. And the second one is of RJ, and oh my God. I feel like this video is just me saying,
obsessed. So cute. Oh my God.
But I can't think of anything else, so. But yeah, that is everything that I ended up getting from elago. Again, a huge thank you to them for sending everything on over to me. If you guys are interested in purchasing one yourselves, make sure to check the links in the description box below. But yeah, like I said, they have a wide range of collections to choose from for phone cases, laptop cases, AirPod cases, Apple Watch cases, so you name it, they have it. But I am seriously in love. Like I said, I'm gonna be switching out my phone case every single day of the week, so. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up my little haul. So now let's just get back into the video. All right, my friends, we are now home and I just got out of the shower feeling fresh. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I ended up getting earlier from the K-pop store. And I'm glad that they have like a K-pop store near my area, but she kind of pricey. But you know what? I ended up getting something because I'm trash. We been new. So if y'all were wondering what the name of the store is, it's called K-pop Pink Store. So I only ended up getting one album, surprisingly. But I've been meaning to get this album for so long now, but I saw it and it was kind of cheap. It was probably like the cheapest album there, TBH. I ended up getting Kai's album. Like, oh my God, this man. Love him so, so much. This is like the jewel case version. I know they have like the regular version, but I decided to get this one because like I said, it was the cheapest, so. Be looking good. What? I just keep looking at it. I'm like, oh my God, I don't want to break the album. Oh my God. There you go. And I believe there's a photo card, but you have to like open it like this. So open. Oh, you know that like feeling of like you might be tearing an album? That's literally me right now with this. Anyways, I see one photo card. Let's just go ahead and take it out.
Oh my God, I wonder who I'm gonna get.
Wow, okay, okay, Kai. All right, love that. Wait, who asked, bitch? No, okay. Love how you can see my eye, but like, is there like more? Oh, what is this? Oh. Okay, Mr. Kim Jong-un. Like, he do be looking good though. Excuse me, sir. And then I believe these are just like the little lyrics. But yeah, this is the album that I ended up getting. Like I said, beautiful. I saw this like huge binder in front of me at the cash register and I was like, what's this? And it was basically a binder full of official photo cards that they were selling for $3. You heard that right, $3. Anyways, I had to get some because clearly they have like multiple groups. They had like ateez, they had CIX, Gravity as well. Also had a bunch of girl groups. So in total, I ended up getting 4. So I love that. I probably would have gotten more. Fuck, I should have just gotten the whole binder. These are the photo cards that I ended up getting. And these are official photo cards, like I said. So, oh my God, it looks so good. I believe these are the pre-order benefit photo cards for, I don't know which version, because like I know ateez released a lot of pre-order benefit photo cards. But anyways, these are the ones that I ended up getting. So we have Songhwa, Wooyoung, and Sun. If y'all didn't know, they're my biases in ateez, so my top 3. And then lastly, I ended up getting Hyunjin from Gravity. He is my bias, and since Produce X101, I've been loving him. So I believe this is also a pre-order benefit or an official photo card too. I'm not totally sure. And then the final thing, I saw these cute little socks. So I'll probably be using these with like my Nike Air Force Ones. So if you see me wearing these in pictures, don't mind it. But yeah, that's my little haul of everything that I ended up getting. The rest of the stuff was just like errands that I needed to do, like in terms of like supplies and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna be showing that, but now I'm just waiting to get on a little Discord call with my friends because we're gonna be talking about an upcoming event that I'm hosting with my friends. If you guys haven't been following me on Instagram, which if you're not, have you been living? My friends and I are hosting a BTS cup sleeve event. It's basically called White Day with BTS. And we were supposed to host it last year, but because of the pandemic, Miss Rona came in the way. We weren't able to host it, but we're hosting it this year. If you guys haven't seen already, make sure to follow us on Army Softies on Instagram. And if you're in the San Diego area, make sure to join us. But yeah.
편안해지고 했어 오늘 밤에도 왜 걷어 있어줘서 좋은 꿈에 번지를 했어
All 6. Yeah, we're asking if we can. Oh, so tell me later. And then one person to ride with you to the event.
Oh my god, I look rough. Anyways, guys, I just finished the meeting with my friends. It took over like 2 hours, but you know, it'd be like that sometimes. We just needed to get like all the logistics down and stuff for our event. But yeah, I'm pretty excited for it. So I'll probably like have a vlog up for that, if anything. If you guys want to see that, let me know. I think that pretty much also wraps up my vlog. It was supposed to be a weekend vlog, but I think I did a lot today. So I think it's just going to be a day in my life vlog. I hope that you guys are okay with that. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video nonetheless. And if you guys would like to see more videos like this, please do let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I hope that you all are staying safe, guys, wearing double masking, you know, with the new variants and stuff like that. And also, if you're able to get your vaccine, make sure to do so as well. Make sure to follow me on my social media, Instagram and my TikTok. Y'all know the deal already. That's pretty much it, and I will see you guys again soon. All right, bye friends.
All that I say, all that I do